Well, when I started, I forgot to mention that my purpose was to talk deeply about English plosives. So now I'm going to explain them. English plosives can be released in 3 different levels or stages. Those stages are: we have the approach or closing stage, then we have the decompression stage, and then the explosion or release stage. Within the third stage, we can find a variety of releases of kinds to be released. Yes, for the plosive. Yes, but in the last stage we can find a variety of ways in which English plosives can be released. Yes, that's what I mean. Then there are 5 different kinds of release. We have an oral release, a non-audible release, nasal release, a release which has a glottal reinforcement, and a lateral release. Yes. Well, an oral release. Yes, in an oral release, a plosive has a quick oral release. Yes, when followed by a semivowel or a vowel. For example, with the phrase "pure tobacco." Yes, then we have the fortis, the voices fortis. Yes, which is followed by a semivowel. Yes, which is is devoiced because of the preceding fortis plosive. Yes, pure, then tobacco. We have the voiceless fortis is also followed by a vowel. Yeah, by the schwa, tobacco. Then another kind of release is a non-audible release. This non-audible release, yes, is known as the lack of explosion, yes, of final plosive consonants. Yes, this is commonly heard in the expression "all right." Yes, with a non-audible release, it'll be all right. All right is all right. Yes, but if I say it's all right, then my final consonant, yes, it has an audible release. Well, but for teaching purposes, this is not necessary to know. Yes, or to know this allophonic. Yes, this allophonic study. Yes, by allophonic I mean that is related to allophones. Yes, which are the realization of the smallest linguistic and phonological units. Yes, which are called phonemes. Yes, and which may bring a change in meaning. Yes, those units. Well, but what happens in clusters? In clusters, like to say, when I have consonants together, yes, I can have a pair of plosives together, or plosives and affricates. In those cases, not both of the consonants which form the cluster are heard, are exploded. Yes, just the latter one. Yes, so that's why, for example, here in we can find those words. Yes, we can find those words within a word, as in this example, grabbed. Yes, in which I have first of all here we have a voice linis bilabial plosive, followed by, yes, a voiced, yes, by a voiced alveolar plosive. Yes. So in this case, the first plosive is not heard, is not exploded, just the second one. And why? Because when producing this word, yes, grab, when I say grab, yes, in infinitive, the bilateral sound is heard. But when I use it with referring to the past, yes, using the ed end, the ed ending, yes, that is not heard, because the when I produce this word, the 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 tip of the tongue is already positioned in the alveolar ridge. Yes, so it's like it's like we drop this sound. Well, in fact, we don't drop it, but we don't pronounce it. Yes, so we just say grabbed, grabbed. Yes, it is not that we say grabbed. Yes, we do not pronounce each of the consonant sound here at the end of this word. Yes, then we can also find these kind of examples, well, within a word or at word boundary, like here, in he grabbed it too. Yes, and well, here we have the same word as before, and here we have it too. Yes, we have two similar, well, they are the same consonant sounds which are together. Yes, when we have this kind of situation, they are called homorganic sounds. Yes, because they are the same, so they appear together. In this case, yes, it happens the same. We have the first consonant which is not heard, but in this case, particularly in this case, there is a kind of delayed, yes, when we pronounce the following consonant. Yes, so when we found consonants which are similar, we have two options: to have a delayed release, as in this case, I grabbed it too. I grabbed it too. I grabbed it too. Or in the case or if I say good day, we have we don't have pauses. We say it all together. Good day, yes, good day. But we don't say good day all together. Then another kind of release is with the glottal reinforcement. In this case, plosive and affricates, yes, can be reinforced. Yes, their explosion can be reinforced by using a glottal stop. Yes, this glottalization, yes, is just used before consonant, not before vowels. For example, if I say take time, yes, take time. Or if I say take that one, yes, take that one. And then we have the nasal release. Yes. In nasal release,